Hello kids! Today I have something new for you.
Oh wow, what is this? Is this a puzzles?
Is this an alphabet? And is this a number? Oh wow, I think this is the fruits.
And are these are animals?
Maybe these are some colorful vehicles. What is this? Can you tell me what is it?
Look, it looks like a stick.
So let's see what is inside. Oh wow! What an amazing puzzles!
Yes, this is an alphabet and these are numbers. And here are some colorful fruits, animals and vehicles.
So let's arrange this puzzle.
See, here are some colorful alphabets and numbers for you. So first we'll arrange alphabets. A. A is for alligator. B. B is for bear. C. C is for cake. D. D is for deer. E. E is for elephant. F. F is for fox. G. G is for giraffe. H. H is for horse. I. I is for ice cream. J. J is for joker. K. K is for kite. L. L is for ladder. M. M is for monkey. N. N is for nest. O. O is for owl. P. P is for parrot. Q. Q is for queen. R. R is for rabbit. S. S is for sun. T is for tree. U is for umbrella. V is for vulture. W is for watch. X is for X-ray. Y is for yak. Z is for zebra. The number 1. The number 2. The number 3. The number 4. The number 5. The number 6. The number 7. The number 8. The number 9. And the number 10. Now we'll arrange fruits. Look, it's an apple. It's a lychee. It's lemon. It's a strawberry. It's a pear. It's a cranberry. It's an orange. It's a kiwi. It's a blueberry. It's a banana. It's a pineapple. And it's a watermelon. Here we have arranged alphabets, numbers, and some colorful fruits. And now we are going to arrange animals. So can you tell me which animal is this? It's a lion. Now tell me which animal is this? It's a tiger. Now can you tell me what is this? It's a penguin. Now which animal is this? It's a sheep. Now tell me which insect is this? It's a honeybee. Now what is this? It's a fox. Now tell me which animal is this? It's an elephant. Can you tell me which bird is this? It's a hen. Can you tell me which animal is this? It's a horse. Hey, it's a baby elephant. It's a baby elephant. Now, can you tell me what is this? It's a giraffe. Now, can you tell me what is this? It's a squirrel. Now, what is this? It's a crocodile. Now we'll arrange vehicles. So first vehicle is fire vehicle. Now this is truck. It's an ambulance. It's a tow truck. It's a police car. This is sheep. This is spaceship. It's a UFO. It's a minibus. This is red color taxi. It's a rocket. Blue color. And which picture is this? It's nurse. It's an astronaut. It's a teacher. It's a chef. It's a fire brigade man. It's a soldier. It's a traffic police. It's a student. It's a orange fish. Green fish. Blue fish. Pink fish.
So now we have arranged all the puzzles in their right places. So if you like my video, please like and subscribe. Bye bye.